Okay, so here we've got a mixed up Rubik's Cube, which I can't do. Blake, how old are you?
5.
And what are you going to do?
The one side of Rubik's Cube?
Any one side of the Rubik's Cube. He's got 2 minutes on the clock. I'm going to say...
1 second.
I don't know. What colour do you want to do? I like white. Can you do white or not?
No.
You don't want to do white?
Yellow.
Yellow. On your marks. Get set. Go. Let's go for yellow. Let's see what he does.
I didn't exactly dress up, did I? With common trainers and a coat on.
Pink.
Here he goes. He's spinning. He's twisting. He's turning. His little brain's ticking. Loads of time left, Blake. Loads of time.
How?
Got over a minute left.
Yes.
Yeah, some good ones there.
Over. Get out. Yeah! Look at that. In 1 minute.
He stopped.
Woohoo! Yellow side done.